in another client's home. We are not doing much on the first floor as of right now. Our main concern is downstairs in the basement where people have vandalized. It was a lot more tidy, and we're going to do a clean out. Purpose of this video is for liability of the homeowner, just as liability of myself. That way, if there's a hole in the wall, they can't say I did it, just as well as if I put a hole in the wall, this is video showing that there wasn't one prior to me being here. That way I'm liable. Kristen, just wait, please. 1961, that's really cool. And also, this allows me to re-look over this and reassess what I'm looking at right now. The vandals pulled that away from the wall. They ripped a lot of the copper. There's a sub pump there, I think, that they also tried to take as well. So I'm going to need to count appliances. I'm going to also need to try to figure out how many truckloads it's going to take to get the stuff out of here, and figure that all into my cost. As of right now, I see one appliance over there. There's a small appliance over there. I'm sure the Stokers are going to stay. That is a large appliance, which there's all types of stuff on it. We're going to have to look around the other side to assess that. The small appliance, that's nothing. So the majority of this is going to be up and down the stairs, which is going to be time-consuming labor. They are short stairs, so basically if we could get 3 people, boom, 1, 2, 3, pile everything up there, then do an assembly line up there, that's going to be the most efficient method. We have another appliance. I love these, dude. I think that's a washing machine. Yeah, I think it's an old school washing machine. Old school glass fuses. Alright, so that is video documentation of this place prior to me giving an estimate. Now I need to really count appliances and figure out how many loads it's going to take, and then give the homeowner my estimate.
On the bottle over here.
Where is it?
Johnny, I don't know what he did.
He tossed it.
Floor, I think, up there.
Oh, no, right here.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Drop back there.
Look at this.
Oh. We're making sauerkraut stuff.
Yeah, I guess.
Snakes hiding in them.
That's what I said. Usually I pull them out.
John. Oh, what is that?
Makes me here. Take a picture of him first. He's running back and forth in the box. Little mousey.
There you go, scare him.
Come on, mousey.
Not giving find anything in here. Grab.